Good afternoon, my dear students. So, how are you all of you? I hope you are doing so well. So, in last class we discussed about letter. So, before I am going to start the chapter, today's topic, I will give you a brief recap of previous class. So, in previous class we discussed about letter. So, normally letter is divided into two parts. The first one is formal letter and the second one is informal letter. So, if we think about the word the formal means the letter should be in perfect format and like the letter should be very precise, written should be very precise and the word should be used in what? That have some values, some good words you should use and that should be in proper format. Okay. In other side, informal letter, the letter when you are writing a letter to your family, to your relatives, to your friends, you are inviting your friends for your birthday party, you want to give a thanks, big thanks to your uncle for your birthday present. Okay, this type of letter when you are writing letter to your relatives, friends and all, that is called informal letter. Okay. In formal letter, what happened? If you are writing application to your principal, if you are writing letter to your mayor, if this type of the letter is business letter, so at that time those letters are called formal. Okay. The letter is written for some purpose. Okay. So, in previous class we discussed about application. When you are writing application to your principal for leave or again if you are writing application to your principal for like arranging extra classes for allow for go to for any state level, international level competition, you need a leave. So, at that time how you write letter? So, I gave the whole format. First you need to write down the principal address, that is the principal. Okay, our school name Sri Krishna International School. After that you will write down, mention the date. Date must be what? Like today is what? 6th of March, you have to write in 6th of March. So, here always in letter application all, in all you have to mention in this format date 6th March or you can write down March 6, 2021. After that you will write down the subject, why you are writing the letter, why you are writing the application, you need to mention the proper precise what? Subject. Okay. After that salutation, after that body, after that you are closing with yours faithfully, yours sincerely, yours name and close. So, today I will discuss about another letter, another informal letter, that is business letter. Okay. Business letter, that should be in proper format. You have to give your all details like whatever you have, like your job ID number, your name, your email ID, okay, your address, you have to give proper information. The thing you have to mention in your letter, okay, first thing your contact information, your contact information. In your contact information you have to mention what? Your name, job title, your company, your city or state, your zip code and your phone number and the last email ID. The first thing is you need to mention in a business letter the same thing. First you need to write down your address. Okay. First the format is your address, after that date, after that recipient address, the one who received, recipient address, after that salutation, after that body, after that closing up letter, after that your name and your undersign, name with sign. Okay. So, this is the format of a business letter. First you have to write down your address. In address you can write down your contact information like your name, job title, company name, your city or state where you are belongs to, where you are currently living, and your number and email ID. You need to give proper information. If you are writing a business letter, it means it is a corporate form of letter. Okay, you are writing this letter for some urgency, you need something, you need to take a response from that recipient, that is why you are writing letter. So, you need to give proper details, okay, like your name, your job title, like you are writing a letter to your boss or you are writing a letter to other company, the company that send you some goods that you order previously, but that goods what? That is not working well. Okay. So, here you want to what? Return that object to that company you are writing letter. So, first of all you need to write down your address, after that you have to mention the date in which you are writing letter, after that you have to mention the recipient address where like you are writing a letter to what? Amazon. Okay. You are ordering something, but that good, yeah, that object not working well. So, you are writing this letter to Amazon. So, you can write down the head office Hyderabad or Bangalore, the Amazon head office. Now, you have to write down the proper address of that recipient. After that, you will start the salutation, respected sir or respected ma'am. So, after that in body you have to note some information like the product you order, like you order a what? Phone. Okay. You order a phone, but that phone, unfortunately that phone is not working. Okay. You want to return that phone to Amazon, okay, through Amazon, but you already gave like messages so many times to Amazon customer care, but they did not reply you. At last you decided to write down a what? A letter to Amazon. So, here you need to mention in body proper mentioning of that what? Phone, phone's bill number, phone model number, the color of the phone, like which day the phone dispatched to you, arriving which day, you have to mention the day also. After that you have to give the proper details about like what lacuna that phone have. Okay, like your screen is not working, or like you order some other color and that they give you some different color. So, you can mention the whatever the problem you are facing through that phone, you have to mention in detail. Before that you have to give the detailed information about the phone, about the parcel. After that you have to mention the detail of that what you are facing the problem. After that you can mention, I hope what? You will consider my request and help me as soon as possible. Okay. After that you can close the letter. In closing you can write down yours what? Your name, and you have to sign at the below of the letter. That is it, but you need to know the format of letter. The main thing is whenever you are writing any formal letter, the main thing is format. You never forget about the format. The first is your address, sender address, the second one is date, and the third one is recipient address, and the salutation, body and closing. If you write in proper format, that letter looks what? Eye catchable, that looks like yes, this is something formal letter. Okay. If you forget to write down your address or you forget to mention the date, forget to mention the receipt address, so that letter doesn't what, that won't go to that recipient, and it's maybe what, in between that it lost. So, you have to go through this point, then I will give you a question, you have to write down, this is your homework, you need to write down a letter, business letter. So, I am giving a question. Write down a business letter about ending your partnership with one of your company partner. Okay, so here is the topic. You have to write down a letter using this topic. The topic is you are writing a letter, business letter to one of the concerned company who have been what? Your constant partner through like 2 years, last 2 years, 3 years, but now you are thinking you have to give the reason why you are ended this partnership with that company. Simply you need to write down your address, after that your date, after that the company name, like whom you want to convey this letter, you are writing this letter. After that you give the salutation, after that you have to mention that what type of problem you are facing with this partnership, you are no longer trustworthy, whatever the reason you have to mention it properly. After that you can close the letter. Okay, in next class I will check your business letter, then we will discuss informal letter. Thank you so much, have a nice day.